This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, on the daily time frame chart, it's nothing to add really new, so you can see market stands in the same area. Yesterday was the inside trading session, so the daily range was inside of to the previous one. And actually guys, on the daily time frame chart, it's nothing to add. Our major focus and major interest stands with the intraday charts. So in true words, the analysis is still the same. We expect the bounce up on the daily time frame chart, and this bounce should be deep and at least reach some deep fib resistance, and the most probable area is the 1350 area. It's right here. Also we have untouched monthly pivot point right here. So that is the 50% support of the whole thrust up. This is also the weekly pivot support one. So let's take a look at the intraday charts. I like, guys, the price action on the gold market and other financial markets at the eve of some significant events or significant data release as the non-farm payrolls, because market very often forms very clear and promising patterns during these moments. So currently, as I said on the Euro research today, Euro update, currently the time of silence, since market hardly will take any drastic steps right prior the non-farm payrolls will start to release. But still, as you can see, we have said previously that market probably is forming the reversal pattern. And probably this upward action should be started somewhere from this area. At least market has formed some signs that points on the bottom. We have already talked about it a lot on the previous researches, so I will not repeat this again. Take a look what is going on right now. Market has formed the bullish stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart. That is the stop grabber that I prefer to deal with because it stands in the same direction as the previous action. So you can see we have the thrust up, retracement, and the stop grabber stands in the direction of the previous thrust. This is more reliable stop grabber than the stop grabber in the opposite direction. Anyway, this pattern suggests the taking out of these highs. That's the minimum target. At least the taking out of these highs. That's the minimum target of this stop grabber. Second advantage of this pattern tells that it stands at an area that is in fact the edge, the crucial area for the bulls. Because if market will not hold in this area and turn to the downside, continue move right to this low, well, in fact, this could lead to the appearing of the, say, double bottom or something of that sort. But if market will pass through this area, it will reach at minimum that low around 1270 area. Okay. That's why this pattern is very important, and this is the pattern that we could use for trading. On the hourly time frame chart, the most interesting picture for us, since we have discussed the appearing of the head and shoulders, right? And in fact, market has completed our condition, our necessary condition that we have announced yesterday. So if this is really the head and shoulders, market will has intention to continue with this pattern. It should hold above the 618 support of this thrust up and to form the right shoulder. And that has happened yesterday. So we can see market has reached this area, well, although it has broken through the spikes, but still in general market holds at the 618 support and holds the shape of the head and shoulders pattern. You can see it looks very nice right now. And as we have the bullish stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart that suggests the taking out of these highs, that could lead to the action with the head and shoulders pattern. And we have the target of the head and shoulders around 1298 is ABCD pattern, A, B, C bottom, that is based on the head and the right shoulder, and that also could take the shape of the butterfly sail. 127 extension of this butterfly stands at the same area, 1290, and we could call it the 13 area. Okay, 1618 stands slightly higher. Well, that will be the minimum target that probably market will reach if it will follow with the breakout of this area, because stock grabber suggests the taking out of these highs. But if this will really happen, market will pass above the neckline, because neckline has the slope, while that is the fixed level. So you can see if market will exceed this high, as the stock grabber suggests, that it will move above the neckline, so that will be the breakout. And if this will be the breakout, the target of the head and shoulders, since it will be triggered, will stand right here. So that's very interesting, and I think that is really interesting and nice setup for trading. The one risk for any setup right now is the volatility on the markets due to non-farm payrolls release, because the volatility could erase all our attempts to take the position and advantage of this action, because if even we will become right, the market will complete everything that we have discussed, the occasional spikes during release could just vanish all our work with this. But that's the markets. So the setup, but setup itself is really perfect. Also, guys, as I said in the weekly, today's Euro update, the Euro currency also is creating the bullish daily pattern, that is the 3-drive buy, and that also could be triggered today. So you can see that gold analysis and the Euro currency analysis stands corresponding to each other and stands approximately in the same direction. Mostly this is due to relation to the US dollar. So it looks like it suggests that probably the non-farm payrolls could become worse than expected. So if we will follow the logic of the patterns that now are forming on the Euro currency and on the gold market. So let's see what will happen. But guys, in general, the setup on the gold market and the Euro currency is really just beautiful from the technical point of view, and you will not see this such sort of the combination of different patterns during the extended period of time. You will not see this very often on the markets.